Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we're playing an indie game made in Unity called Unaware by Aces Games, apparently. Yeah, it's, like I say, on itch.io, it's an indie game, Unity. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to have a go at yourself. Demo version, okay. So it says the scene takes place in an area somewhere in England in the 1920s. You wake up from a bed in a big house with any idea who you are and where you are. Okay. I'm just going to start a new game. Let's get into it. Let's see then. Let's see. Oh, loading. 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 Where am I? How did I end up here? Strange. Can't seem to remember anything. Okay. Floaty bits. Outside. Ooh, sky. Oh, book of some kind. What does it actually say on the front of it? I'm curious. Journal. Alright, E. The book you just found will be your own journal throughout the game. Press J to view your journal. J for Jimmy. Okay, hint. Don't work. Okay. E, what's this? Don't know what that was. Your journal's been updated. Press J. Sure. Light my candle. I should take the candle with me, but I need to light it first. Okay, hint. Select the matches from the inventory in the candles. Press the mouse. We press tab then? No? Escape? No? I. Okay. Inventory. Do we just drag? Oh, okay. That's how we do it. Take the candle. Press F to toggle on and off. Right, okay, now I get it. Boots. Quick to some boots. Press I to view your inventory. I will in a second. I'm just investigating other things. Nope, close. No, alright. Door. It's literally a bathroom, isn't it? It's a room with a bath, nothing else. Okay, it's 2 beds. 2 beds better than no beds. I should equip boots first. Boots of the boots. That said equip boots of the boots. Okay, whatever. Yeah, but are they equipped now? How do I equip? Are they equipped? How do I equip? I should equip boots the boots first. Okay. Well, I don't understand how to do it. What do I do? What? What do I do with them? Okay, I've got to go over the hand. Right, okay, journal's been updated, see what it says. Walking on ice. Why is... Okay, greyed out, sure, okay. Alright, okay, let's go then. Let's go. We've got our boots on. Horsey. I should see if there is anyone here. I need to know where I am, how I got here. Alright, so let's go find someone then. Oh, there is a ghostly figure of a child just walking through there. Looks like a key. I'll take that key, thank you. Another book. Don't know what it is, but I've taken it. That looks important. Dice. What? Who's knocking? There is something strange about the bookshelf. Oh god, this is... Okay. Well, in that case, if I do that and do that, does that work? Maybe not. I kind of get the feeling that Yeah. See? Yeah. So there. Yeah? No, still nothing. Okay. I'm kind of liking this. I am kind of liking this. It's... Oh. Wow, it's got a real Resident Evil kind of feel to it. I've got to be honest. Like, a first person of the old Resident Evils. Interesting. Okay. I'm probably not going to be able to figure this out, to be honest. I just feel like I'm going to be a bit dumb. Ooh. I like the look of this room. Locked. Okay. Chessboard. I should look for the missing pieces. This is actually quite decent. There's thought and effort gone into this. Oh, wait a second. I think the dice goes in there. Yes. See? See? Okay, so I've got to find another one. Wonder if the key is for that. Let's see if we can... Wrong key. Alright, fair enough. Anything in here? Nope. Drawers. What's that? I've taken something. I've taken a few things there. Candle. Oh, black pawn. Okay. Okay. In that case, I think I need to put it on here, don't I? There we go. All right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Are there any other books I can kind of pick up? Because it really seems like something needs to go on this shelf somewhere. But I don't know what. Okay, I'm going to go out here and carry on down the hallway. This looks like the living room. Okay. There's a... what's this? A newspaper. Just an old newspaper. There we go. I think, yeah, because I noticed that candle was running out, so... Yeah, glad we've got that. What else have we got going on then? Not ready for outside yet. Okay. There's another door. Maybe I should light these candles. Okay, I'm going to try and light these candles. Ready? No, it doesn't work. Okay, doesn't matter. We've got some stuff here. Another key. I'll take that. What's this? Oh, what is... Wow, this is really Resident Evil-y. This is really good. For an indie game, this is intriguing. It really is intriguing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because I picked up that key, I'm going to see if that key actually opens up that little lockbox upstairs. Maybe it will. Oh, hello. You're not very ghostly now. Creepy. Hello, mister. My name is Elizabeth. What's your name and what are you doing in my house? My name's Jimmy and I don't know. I don't even know where I am. I do not recognise this house. Does she even blink? Can we skip? Maybe, but you have to help me first. Okay. Help with... You're going to say ghost or something? Cannot find your violin. Okay. You want to play it? Fine. Whatever. Retrieve it. Well, where is it then? Are you going to tell me where it is, or have I got to try and work out the clues to find where it is? Alright, so we've got to find a violin for this creepy child. So I'm going to try opening this. Locked. So, is it this key? Wrong key. Okay, so... Well, we came back upstairs, so we've progressed something somewhere somehow, because that creepy girl's there. So when I go through this locked door, well, open door now, here, fruit, take some fruit. Okay. What's this? Something. Oh, spoon. I don't have what I need to light the stove yet. What? Well, technically I've got matches. Does that not work? I should wait till the stove is loaded. Good lord. What kind of game is this? Ah. Okay, so do I... Firewood and paper, I just need to load it up. Okay, so if I do that, that, and that, and if I put that as well, yes! Oh god, I'm good at this. But now what? Wow, okay. Now I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, hang on. What if I do this? Oh no. No, I can't. I thought I had vegetables. No, I'm not sure. Okay, I'll come back to that. I'll come back. Did they go in me? Okay, that's gone in my inventory. So maybe these do as well. It's really intriguing, this game. I actually really like it. Okay, so if I do that. Okay, maybe I've got to activate the stove first. So, if I try putting it... Oh, nope. What in there? I should heat the pan up first. Okay, so let's move that there. Let's put that there. Get that out of the way. Because that's obviously means it's heating up, right? So if we put that there. Yeah! Jimmy gets cooking. You know what? Hang on. I might use that as my... oh, the steam's gone. I might capture it later. Okay, now what? Okay, let's go back. Okay, so I've cooked something. Let's have a look at the journal. Hide completed objectives, okay. Zodiac signs. I found a box with some zodiac signs. The box takes in 4 digits. Wow, okay. Okay, so I want to do that and click hint. The numbers above have to mean something. What numbers above? Okay. So that's where that is. The numbers above. The numbers above. This means above in whatever room we were just in. Not sure. What numbers? Oh, the clock as well. I don't think that's of any relevance. No, it can't be that. 3, 2, 1. Seems too obvious. Missing violin. Perhaps I should look around where music is played. Well, there's piano here, so maybe it's in here? Gosh, I don't know. Is that water? It is, just looks a bit weird. What a confusing game. But I'm still intrigued. I'm not bored of it yet. Okay, so let's have a look at what else I've got. Amnesia. Hint. There must be someone I can ask about my presence. Oh, okay, the clock. The clock hands must be in the right place. Furthermore, the bookshelf has to be connected to the clock. Really? The pieces are so small I have to look closely. Right. Oh, hang on, what was that? E. Don't know what that was, but let's have a look. There is a star to the right of a square. There is a star to the right of a square. Is that that? Ah. Okay. So I've got to find another one. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go on a quick hunt. So I don't want to bore you guys too much with me kind of rambling on. Oh, what's this? Ooh. What have I found there? Red, brown, green, green. What's to do with the bookshelf, do you think? Maybe we can take a book somewhere. No. Okay, so we've taken them 2 books back. And we can't take any more, it doesn't look like. Okay, it doesn't matter. Unless there's any here that we can take. No, nothing there. Nothing there. Oh jeez, you creepy child. Stop following me, go away. Anything back in here? I'm gonna say no. No, nothing there. It's frozen on me. Oh man. Okay. It's frozen. That's a shame. I was really enjoying that. I wanna try and carry on after this. Yeah, it's gone. Alright guys, that was Unaware, unfortunately frozen on us. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Let me know in the comments why you didn't like it though, if you do that. And I'll leave a link in the description below for you to play. And yeah, I've been Jimmy Vegas, this has been Unaware. Thank you very much for watching.